Gondor fruit pulping machine. Single channel. Double channel. Large pressing force for pulp discharging. Smooth discharging. Large inlet for easy feeding. High pulp discharge speed. Automatic separation of fruit skins. Automatic separation of seeds and pulp. High pulp extraction rate. Material is safe and durable. Detachable design for easy thorough cleaning. Efficient crushing and pulping. Suitable for various fruits and vegetables. Client feedback.
I'm here in Denmark and I just wanted to tell you about this machine that I bought about a year ago. Yeah, it's been amazing, it's been wonderful.